Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we replaced the brew unit, this one that you see right here. The new brew unit is inside the machine. We also descaled the machine, give it a good cleanup, went inside, replaced the mechanobus shower screen as well as the O-ring of the shower screen itself. We also had to replace the water pump. This espresso machine, and this one right here. So yeah, that's all what we did on this espresso machine. Now we're gonna be testing it out, and I have the machine right now without the case cover, so you guys can see the condition of the machine as well. On the back of the machine, you can see the new water pump installed. That one that you see right there. That is the flow meter. This is the grinder. We got other switches and cables. Transmission, steam thermo block, and thermo block. So yeah, that's what we have. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test some more. Now the grinder is running the coffee beans. It's gonna go into the brew unit right here. Transmission will move the brew unit all the way into the mechanical located right here. Now once the brew unit is located on the mechanical, the water pump will do pre-infusion. Then it will push water through here, going all the way to the thermo block, around the mechanical, and all the way to the coffee cup. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Really good color and excellent flow. Testing the hot water. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out through the one. Great quantity, excellent temperature, working excellent. Okay, good shot of espresso. So there you have it, the DeLonghi cappuccino working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.